Hello guys, let us discuss about phrasal verb today. First one. Call off. Means, to cancel something. For example, they had to call off the meeting because of bad weather. Next. Run out of. Means, to deplete the supply of something. For example, we've run out of milk. I need to buy more. Next. Turn on, off. Means, to start or stop a machine or device. For example, can you please turn off the lights when you leave? Next. Get up. Means, to rise from bed. For example, I usually get up at 7 a.m. every morning. Next. Take off. Means, to leave by air. For example, the plane will take off in 30 minutes. Next. Go out. Means, to leave your home, often to socialize. For example, let's go out for dinner tonight. Next. Set up. Means, to arrange or establish something. For example, they set up a new business in the city. Next. Bring up. Means, to raise a topic in a conversation. For example, she brought up the issue of the budget during the meeting. Next. Break down. Means, to stop functioning, machinery, or to lose control of one's emotions. For example, the car broke down on the way to the airport. She broke down in tears when she heard the news. Next. Put off. Means, to delay or postpone. For example, we had to put off the picnic because of the rain. Next. Catch up. Means, to get up to date or reach the same level as others. For example, I need to catch up on my work after being sick for a week. Next. Check in or out. Means, to arrive at or leave a hotel, airport, or event. For example, we'll check in at the hotel at 3 p.m. and check out on Sunday. Next. Look after. Means, to take care of someone or something. For example, she looks after her younger brother when her parents are at work. Next. Work out. Means, to exercise or to find a solution. For example, I like to work out at the gym in the mornings. We need to work out the details of the project. Next. Show up. Means, to arrive or appear. For example, I hope you can show up to the party on Saturday. Next. Pick up. Means, to collect or gather. For example, I'll pick up some groceries on my way home. Can you pick me up from the airport? Next. Fill out. Means, to complete a form or document. For example, please fill out this form with your personal information. Next. Give up. Means, to quit or stop trying. For example, don't give up on your dreams, keep working towards them. Next. Hand in. Means, to submit something, like an assignment or application. For example, Please hand in your essays by the end of the week. See you in next session. Thank you.